guys, how's it going? CoderMan here. This is the last ride for the M3. I'm actually driving it to the owner right now, and so wanted to thank everybody for supporting the channel, you know, supporting the car, inviting me to events, coming out to events and seeing the car, you know, just everything. Not gonna get super emotional because it is a car, it's not a human, but I've had this car for 6 years and it's been a big part of stuff that I've done in business. It's actually the reason I got started in real estate. I'll actually do a video on that in the future on how that's actually in fact the case. And just, you know, overall just really loved this car. So I wanted to do something a little bit different today, and I did a POV of the M3 on the back roads as well as on street. So I put together this video, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it. And this is the last video with the 2011 BMW M3 in space gray. There might be another M3 in the future, but at the moment my other car is ready to go. I'm flying out next week hopefully to pick it up, and yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun with it. So I hope you enjoy this video. All right, we got a full tank of gas, so let's get rolling. I ended up shutting off the display because it just flickers on camera, but you know what a nav looks like anyways. Now the car is currently on snow tires, so it can't drive it the way you would in summer, but really you're on streets anyway, so you probably shouldn't be driving it to its limit. And then of course I catch another one. So I'm gonna back off again and let that guy get some distance, because these roads are a lot of fun, but not when you're going 12 miles an hour. In the summer, you got to be careful with bikes out here, motorcycle as well as pedal, and then joggers, because this is a nice little area. You know, for those familiar with the area, this is, I think, Knobscott Valley in Framingham. It's a nice place. right, so I'm gonna leave some more distance because we're coming up on the best part. That little part there is kind of like a tease. This part up here is where it's really cool. And you gotta look out for fishermen. I caught someone even slower. So what we're gonna do is I'm actually gonna cut the video pretty much right here. I'm gonna go to the end of this and then come back because there'll be nobody in front of me, and you'll actually see this much better. And I'm caught behind somebody else that's driving slow again. That seems to be the theme. So believe it or not, the drive that I'm doing right now is the last drive in this car. So it has sold. I'm actually on the process of driving it to the new owner. And I've always wanted to do this POV video, and I've just some reason never had the time, or just, I don't know, whatever reason, I just decided never to do it. And I was so upset that I never did it. I had to do it today. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It's not over yet. I'm gonna continue filming, see if there's anything interesting. And, you know, I appreciate you guys so much for, you know, supporting the channel and loving this car, helping me fix things. It's the end of a chapter, but it's the beginning of what I hope to be an exciting new chapter. And rest assured, I will have another E92 M3 in my life. I just need a bigger garage to actually be able to store fun cars. And in time and with hard work, that'll happen. So like I said, the video is not over, but you know, if you haven't subscribed already, please do hit that like button and let's continue cruising, and I'm gonna shut up. All right, guys, so I'm going to end the video here because I'm about to hit some traffic. So please subscribe if you're new here, comment on the video, like, and I'll see you in the next one.